Hello, third grade, and welcome to Social Studies. In our next following lessons, we're going to learn what our government does for us. The first thing we're going to be doing is we'll be reading through some of the things that we see every day that the government does, and you will be highlighting these inside your class kit. So we'll be highlighting what a community needs in yellow, how we pay taxes in orange, and why we have laws in green. Now, the first thing we need to see is that the government maintains order by making laws and hiring police officers. Police officers enforce the laws that are created. The first things that a community needs are, communities have needs. Communities need things to keep us safe, such as traffic lights. Communities need things to keep us healthy, such as parks. Communities need things to keep us learning, such as schools and libraries. What are some other things that keep us safe, healthy, and learning in our community? So some things that we need to stay healthy are parks. Something that we need to stay learning are schools and libraries. And to keep us safe are things like traffic lights. So let's go ahead and finish out this. We need traffic lights, parks, and schools to keep our community safe, healthy, and learning. Pause the video if you need to type this out or highlight. The next thing we're going to learn that our communities do for us are public services. The government uses our tax money to provide services for us. Some services include street and traffic lights and road repair. Whenever you see people working on the side of the road, that is something that our government is paying for to keep our roads safe. Police and firefighters, schools, libraries, and parks, trash and recycling, post offices, plowing snow and salt on the roads. Have you ever wondered, you always put trash out back, but who is doing all of that? Government services go and pick up the trash and take them to landfills. Now we talked about taxes, but what are taxes and how does the government get money to help us with our streets and our schools and the trash and post offices? The government provides some services that we need, but how do the government pay for these things? I want you to think about taxes. You've probably heard that word before. Taxes are taken out of our paychecks when we work. We also pay taxes on our homes and the things we buy. If we pay 7% sales tax on something that costs $1, we would owe $1.07. So the way that the government gets money to do all these things is with taxes. Now, the government makes laws to keep us safe, to maintain order, and to give us responsibilities. Some laws, like curfew laws, keep us safe. Some laws, like speeding limits, maintain order. Some laws, like paying taxes, give us responsibilities. Think of another law that keeps us safe. What other laws do we have to follow to make sure that we are staying safe? Well, it's also a law to drive on the right side of the road, so then we're all going the same direction. That keeps us safe, so then we're not running into each other while we're on the road. Drive on the right side of the road. I want you to think of something else that keeps us safe that the government has a law for. Once you are finished writing this out and highlighting, you are finished with social studies for today.